Hi guys, I'm Shikha. Welcome to our podcast, What the Gap.
हाय आई एम मोना. शिखा, तो मुझे पता है आजकल ना बड़ा ये सुनने में मिल रहा है, कोई बिजनेसमैन है, कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर है, स्टार्टअप है, ये क्या कॉन्सेप्ट्स है? मेरी तो समझ के पल्ले के बाहर है.
ये ना बिजनेस वर्ल्ड के शाहरुख खान है. जो भी बोलते हैं मेरा स्टार्टअप है, जो भी बोलते हैं मैं फाउंडर हूँ.
शाहरुख खान है.
हाँ बिल्कुल, बिजनेस वर्ल्ड के ये लोग शाहरुख खान होते हैं.
अच्छा, वो कैसे?
ओके, सो स्टार्टअप छोटे से वर्ड से स्टार्ट करते हैं. इट्स बेसिकली एनी पर्सन हु इज सीइंग अ मार्केट गैप, चाहे वो किसी भी फॉर्म ऑफ प्रोडक्ट में हो, चाहे वो सर्विस में हो, कहीं पे भी आप अगर इनोवेशन ला सकते हो, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग ला सकते हो, या सिंपल प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते हो. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर इज अ स्टार्टअप ओनर, सिंपल एज दैट. एनीबडी दैट थिंक्स ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर आइडिया एंड लॉन्चेस हिज और हर बिजनेस इज अ स्टार्टअप फाउंडर.
ओके,
सिंपल वर्ड्स में. अब आपसे मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ, आपने कभी सोचा है कभी स्टार्टअप करने का, कभी बिजनेस लाइन में आने का? हैव यू एवर थॉट? और अगर सोचा तो कौन सी लाइन में?
नहीं भाई,
नहीं.
I am not a risk taker, man. I'm very satisfied in a managerial post. कुछ चल रहा हो उसे मैं मैनेज कर दूंगी. I'm very good with that. But to start to take that risk, चलेगा नहीं चलेगा, it's mind-boggling, man. Do not have that guts, and it takes a lot of guts to do that.
It does.
But yeah, आजकल कितने startups खुल रहे हैं. बच्चे like they don't want to go in jobs and they want to be on their own, self-employed.
Yep.
What about you, Shikha? तेरा क्या ख्याल है?
Yes, I was in the both sides, right? For 5 years, I was in the job side, so I have worked for someone else. Now I've transitioned into self-employment stage.
Oh wow!
But can say the freedom that it brings, but also with risks. It is a good journey. It's an adventurous journey. But मुझे तो business ही करना है. I think I found my calling. Business करो अपने terms पे, अपने वो you also are creating employment in India, so that's a very big bonus.
That is true.
Either than getting employed, you are creating employability in India, which is a big thing. तो मुझे तो business करना है. But so अन्य मैं बताती हूँ, मेरे startup में ना कभी कभी मुझे लगता है कि काश मेरा कोई मेंटर होता, या काश कोई समवन विद एक्सपीरियंस, आइदर अ को-फाउंडर और अ मेंटर. क्योंकि अभी मैं करंट अपने बिजनेस में ना कुछ ऐसे फैसले होते हैं ना जो आपको एक्सपीरियंस से चाहिए होते हैं. ऑल्दो वी नो कि हाँ इन द गूगल चैट जीपीटी का ज़माना, बट एक्सपीरियंस को तो कोई बीट नहीं कर सकता, राइट? काश मेरे पास कोई मेंटर होता. आई रियली फील दो.
चल तेरी विश पूरी करती हूँ.
रियली? कैसे? आई वांट टू नो.
So I like to welcome a guest on our podcast, a first guest on our podcast, who has honed her exceptional fashion sense through observation, passion, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Matlab, it is amazing, really.
Wow.
Yeah.
The intro looks solid. I would want to meet her soon.
She started in her 50s, early 50s, right?
Wow.
But maybe 2-3 clients honge. And I've seen her grow over the years to a point when she says no to the orders because time nahi hai.
I think that is a dream of every startup owner.
Yeah,
कि भाई order
you
ज़्यादा हो गए.
excel that much, right?
Yeah.
And in this world जहाँ पे इतना competition है and internet, delusion है because so many frauds, like dependability नहीं है तुम्हारे पास किसको कि तुम उसके पास जाओगे. हाँ, ये तुम्हें guaranteed देगा, right?
Wow.
So she's created her own niche, right?
Wow.
With her creative excellence and moreover, operational discipline, reliability, and the attention to details, right?
Wow.
Which every client wants, and it's not just ek ko kar diya. Each client, each order is given that kind of attention. Welcome to Tia Luthra.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome on our podcast.
Thank you so much.
We're so excited
So
to
she's
have
created a brand, Turmeric Weddings.
you. Okay.
Which caters to luxury, bridal, and Indian party wear. I think I'll let her introduce her
let's
own
hear
brand
from the
herself a bit
expert.
more.
Yeah.
So basically, I started a brand because I felt this was something, like you said, that was a gap.
Okay.
And I was creating something that was needed, solving a problem, which was I felt a lot of women in North America, usually US, Canada, UK, they don't have so many options of finding outfits that they want and not readily available. So I started off with, that's how I got started.
Wow.
Creating that kind of a thing, giving that custom couture, and creating outfits according to what their needs are.
Wow. So our audience, a note for our audience, anybody from the US, UK, Canada, any other countries that I'm
Sure,
missing?
any country.
Global, guys. We have gone global.
Overseas, anywhere.
So yeah, for your next wedding or for your Indian celebrations, you know where to go to, right?
Thank
Personally, okay, let me just share my few words. I've gone through your business profile. I've seen your Instagram. I love it.
Thank
there
you.
are 2-3 specific collections. Specifically, the Sharara set, the yellow one, the saris, the rose tone saris. Oh my god, I don't think I've seen something of that sort in
Aw,
Delhi.
thank you.
So that is something I whenever I get married, I'll get
Sure. Yeah, she needs to reach
Because
out.
I think थोड़ा far fetched
चल तेरी wedding में मैं भी एक dress बनवा.
so 2 customers to you
Already
got.
that, yeah.
Please do keep time for us.
Definitely.
But yeah, let's go into the
Yeah, so you थोड़ा elaborate करो ना कि कैसे शुरू किया? Why did you start it? And
Okay,
did you have the need to start it? Like, you know, सारी Indian women at that age they think, oh, we are sorted, हो गया, बच्चे पल गए, सब कुछ हो गया. Why did you had that feeling to start something that time?
Actually, I think for the longest time, yes, financially didn't need it, but there was always this desire to do something of my own. Since I was born, brought up in Toronto, I had a lot of friends and family that lived there. And they would constantly, you know, when I moved to Delhi, they would constantly message me, hey, Tia, can you get us this? Can you make this for us? You know, can you get somebody to make this for us? So that's how it kind of hit me that, you know, this was something, a new concept that this is what people
interesting.
need that they don't get readily available there.
Yeah.
So, of course, after, you know, your kids are gone off and you're free, you feel like you want to do something. I didn't have any kind of professional knowledge of custom designing of Indian wear, but just a good eye and a good knack for things.
aesthetics, like how
But like
Gen
you
Z
said, you know,
Observation
I also
and-
had a mentor.
Sorry.
Oh.
Manmeet ji was wonderful. She's my team with on my team, and
Okay.
she's taught me so much.
Wow.
And guided me, and I've learned so much from her. So all
Perfect.
my knowledge is basically practical knowledge.
Wow, and I think that's the best knowledge
Yeah,
you can get.
that's true.
I
That's
think so.
true.
Can I
The skill
add a
sets.
small thing? So, did your friends play the Cupid in your business? Like they pestering you? I want this. I want that. Indian wear. That
Actually-
actually led you to make your
Do you
own
know,
thing.
honestly, if I look at my friends around 10 or 15 of them are already fashion designers.
Oh,
They all are,
interesting.
you know, unique in their own niche. So it's, you know, here, of course, in Delhi, whatever my friends do come to me and they want something, but everybody has their own kind of, you know, setup and stuff. So, of course, I do cater to some friends as well, but it wasn't always just my friends. I think the only way that you grow your business is not from friends or family.
Yeah, it's the real customers beyond that. I'm
Exactly.
learning that.
Yeah,
Those are the
you need to
ones-
know. Just don't
Yeah.
depend on them, right?
Yeah, so you know, I saw this in a very small interview from a Gen Z founder. He said that your first 10 to 15 orders, don't even rely on them because they are from your friends and families. So you might just think, oh, my business has kicked off. Oh, wow, I'm getting sales.
Right.
But no, wait for the 20th and the 50th order
Yes.
because that's the real struggle.
Actually, I think for years on, I didn't even tell my friends that I was doing this. So it wasn't like I was relying on any friends or
Friends.
anything. But of course, people who I knew in
Yeah.
Toronto, they were telling their friends or
Friends.
family.
Word of mouth and
so
all.
word of mouth, it
Yeah.
kind of grew like that.
Interesting.
Okay. But what do you think is the advantage that you started late? Did it help you more?
Of course, I think you can spend more time. You're more concentrating on what you're working. You have more time to spare to do it. So yes, maybe the age is there, but I don't necessarily think it's the age. It's just for me, it worked out that way.
Did
But-
your experience in life help you a bit as compared to like Shikha? If I ask her, she's just young. So your experiences in life, like how to tackle with people, deal with people, did it help a bit?
I guess, when you are lived abroad, then you've lived in India, and, in between actually started the business, I was doing little bits of stuff of exporting some garments, exporting this, but nothing on a very large scale or on a very steady scale.
Okay.
So, of course, I guess when you're a very social person,
Yeah.
you do learn a lot of social aspects of how to deal with people, how to talk to people. May if that helps. I don't know if that helps or not, but
You're already socially
yeah,
active.
I'm taking this point for myself. Be social. Go to every party. also that, it's not the first business that it's like how you said, I used to export a little
Yes,
bit.
yes.
There were steps to building turmeric weddings. It was
Yes.
not day one to turmeric weddings. It was small steps where you saw design, where you kind of exported stuff, where you understood the material,
Yes.
the customer's preferences across. I'm sure a US customer would be requesting differently as per a UK customer. Like everybody's preferences would differ.
Yes.
And that those small stepping stones now led to this big business. So it's not always the big bang first stone. It's always the small stepping stones.
Absolutely.
Note for all
Absolutely.
our viewers as well.
Yes.
So how many years since you've been running this now?
I think it's about almost 7 to 8 years now.
Okay, that's
Yes,
nice.
time.
Yeah.
And that sheer perseverance, or what else did you think you can contribute to this?
I think it was just the passion.
The passion.
That's it. That's all it was. Just passion that I wanted something of my own. And like she, said in the beginning, for me and my team, every little detail matters.
Yeah.
We're custom designing for our clients who have only just sent us a picture of something that they like.
Oh.
And our aim is to give them, as best as possible to the closest of what they want.
Okay.
And we will not compromise on quality.
Yeah. I have a very Gen Z question to ask you, if
Sure.
you don't mind.
No.
Like for us, Gen Z, we get bored very easily, okay?
Right.
So to be consistent in your business for 7 to 8 years, and on the days when it might not be very easy,
Right.
maybe a customer, maybe a vendor, it could be, and now
True.
since I'm
We
in
all
that field,
have
I'm
those
getting
issues,
to,
yeah.
I'm just getting to know that there are 1,000 people involved.
Yes.
It's not just the founder and the team. So, like, even on the days where you hate it, maybe you're like, I'm done, yaar, I'm like tired. How do you keep yourself motivated and consistent? Ki, nahi, I have to work more.
First of all, I never get bored.
Oh, that's
And
the
I
best
never ever say that, hey, I'm done with this. I love it. So every
How?
day,
I want to
every
know
day
that.
is just new. It's like even if you have a bad day with the vendors, they
Yeah.
don't send you the right product, send it back, throw it away, get a new one.
Perseverance.
and passion.
Yeah,
and
and
just
passion.
craziness. This crazy passion.
I
Right?
think even tolerance. I think I hear like she has very high tolerance because to not get annoyed very easily.
No,
which,
well, when you ask my husband, he will say,
okay.
So I would not say that is
Yeah.
the one thing.
Yeah,
You know,
business
you
tolerance.
just
I am
went out.
screaming at times. I am yelling at times. So,
So, yeah, so
don't
business
get that.
tolerance. Let me rephrase
Yeah,
it.
so you went
That's
out
pretty
and just
high.
No,
When?
even in business, you
Yeah.
are yelling at your कारीगर sometime.
yeah.
You are yelling at the master जी ये ठीक नहीं बना इसको ठीक करो
करो,
ऐसे करो.
yeah.
So of course that screaming part, all that is there,
Yeah.
but the point is I never get tired of it, or I don't wish that this is too much and I can't do it.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
the most I
Wow.
think epitome feeling for a founder, right? You don't get exhausted with your work.
हाँ आई थिंक वो ना आपके काम में बोलता है
हाँ.
इफ यू सो लव योर थिंग
Yeah.
इट वो आपके काम में बोलेगा ही बोलेगा
And I think I don't know if you felt it, but from the time I have switched from a job to a business, मेरा दिमाग 24 घंटा बिजनेस सोचता है.
Yeah, that's true.
सोते वक्त
I
भी
have-
सोचती हूँ मैं
yes.
आज मैं मार्केटिंग में ये कर लेती हूँ.
Yes, yes.
And I'm like, okay, Shikha, you have a life apart from. I don't think you have a life apart. When
Yeah,
you're a business
that-
founder,
that's true.
It's just
That's true.
it goes in your subconscious. कि आपका दिमाग
There are
हमेशा चल
times
रहा है.
I can't sleep at night.
Yeah.
If I have something to be done, or the thought that, hey, I could have done this better, I could change this.
Yeah.
So, yes, that is there. 24 hours, your mind is occupied in your business.
And is there a concept of work-life balance for a business founder?
I do. When I'm with my friends and I'm chilled out, I do kind of switch off for some time. And I like that I can, because that's how you're going to thrive to be better. If you're constantly just doing that, you're not going to,
Also, yours is a creative field, right?
Yes,
So you need to
yes.
like kind of take a break.
yeah, you do.
Creative people
But
do. I feel.
yeah, I mean, you look for creativity everywhere you go. Like just coming to this place, this Shahpur. I mean, I was looking at some of the boutiques, and I was just wanting, get some inspiration
Yeah.
and looking around. So that kind of thing always
See,
happens.
24/7 on that
Yeah.
business mind.
मुझे लग रहा है मैं बड़ी out of feel लग रही हूँ तुम दोनों ही इतनी ज़्यादा because you can feel each other's thoughts, right?
I thought it was the Gen Z panicking within me कि मैं संभाल नहीं पा रही हूँ और लग रहा है I'm like how can I think about the same thing 24/7?
But I'll tell you something. There's
Yeah.
not culture in India has really changed for the Indian women. My age group friends that I have, I'd say about 90% of those women are working.
Wow.
They have either
That's an
they're doing
amazing
something
stat.
of their own or they're helping their husbands with their businesses. But every woman is out there doing something.
Yeah,
And
note
this
for our
is-
audience.
Yeah.
We should all take a
And
note.
if I look at my friend circle, like I said, 15 or 20 of them are fashion designers. It could be clothing, it could be bags, it could be shoes, everything.
A question to both of you. I don't know, it just came me. How now you saw the old India kind of a thing where women were very restricted. We all saw, like even in our homes, right? We saw now the change. Now, like how you said, like so many of your friends are now working. Both of you are working. How do you feel like what was the push for you personally that made you led to this decision? Like maybe you first. Like what made you motivate कि नहीं, I'll keep working and this is what really I find true.
Because I see for me, monetary is not the thing, but I have to learning is my passion. Like I have to stay updated with things. When I converse with my son or anybody else, I have to have a level of knowledge that kind of attracts me a lot more than anything else in life.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
yeah. तो मेरा मॉनिटरी तो जैसे वो है ना 3 Idiots में कि if you excel in a field पैसे तो आ ही जाएंगे. So मेरा exactly वो you can
वो
say that
logic
it doesn't. Monetary goals are not the things that I reach to, but if I don't read, if I don't stay updated with things like AI आ रहा है, अगर मुझे नहीं आएगा तो मुझे लगेगा ना मैं तो बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ी लिखी हूँ, you know, that way. So that keeps me very motivated.
The
with things.
craving for learning, to
Yes.
upskill yourself.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's your motivation. And what
Yeah.
was for you?
I agree with her totally. We discuss this every
Oh,
morning.
that's interesting.
That, I mean, if there's a new feature on Instagram, I want to learn it. I love making reels. I do a lot of my own editing sometimes.
I've heard it for the first time.
No,
If you see her
seriously.
page,
Ah.
My
Yeah.
page is got like I am so like that's my baby, right? So I am like constantly looking, learning, trying to do courses to upgrade myself.
Wow.
How I can film it better, how I can show it better, my product. So yes, I think learning she's absolutely right, is the top part.
Absolutely. I hope, audience, women specifically after marriage, where generally not now. I mean, we are changing, but I hope that it reaches, the message translates through, and now everybody's learning, everybody's upskilling themselves, and whether you're at any age, Gen Z, millennial, none of it matters. Learn, keep learning, because भाई हम outdated, हम सब outdate हो जाएंगे नहीं तो learning is the only, change is the only constant, I feel, right?
But I
That's the
think this
only-
is really important that in India they should implement this in every girl, that she needs to be self-sufficient, she needs to be having an earning.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I think it's changed.
Yeah, it is.
It has changed,
And
and-
specifically in tier 2 to tier 5 cities, there are
Yeah.
so many women-led entrepreneurs,
Yes.
women-led businesses. Even from home businesses they have started.
Yeah.
Like so many, and which is, I think,
And
it's a
even-
new India.
Even the underprivileged.
Yeah.
I mean, I work for an organization called Palna.
Okay.
They do. It's an abandoned. It was started as a home for abandoned children.
Okay.
So I've been with them for the last 2 decades with them, and they have vocational training programs for girls. So even when girls coming from low income groups, we are trying to educate them with the skill, which is so important because with that skill, they're going to be able to go and get out there and make a living for themselves.
Skill India initiative.
Yes, there's lots
Such
of
a
them.
good initiative.
Nykaa, Usha machines. These all people help us. sponsor
Urban
us.
Company, I can think of it. All are
Yeah,
the women, at least the women partners
Correct.
who come for
Yeah,
our home
beauticians,
services,
yeah,
beauticians,
yes.
and like the salon services or any kind of services. They all have the Skill India Initiative badge on them, which is someone somewhere is teaching them
Yes,
on
yes.
and become financially independent, which is a very good one.
Very good, yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
So next question I would ask you is, do you think it's advantageous to be like in the current situation? Then Instagram, did it help you? Like
Absolutely.
what would you would have done if you would had started this 20 years back? कैसे करते market?
I don't know how I would have marketed it. Like at the moment, I don't have a website. Tell you honestly, the niche that I've created is basically, having a personal designer at your fingertips, right? So when you custom design, it's a lot of time consuming and a lot of thought process. If I think about expanding my business, that means then I am cutting back on a lot of things. A lot of my traveling, a lot of my other things that I like to do. So I don't have a website. My only page that I work through is Instagram and Facebook. And tell you honestly, what I would have done 20 years ago, I really don't know. But at the moment, this is what I'm doing.
It's easy to reach out to them. Your foreign clients are able to reach out to you very easily through that.
Yes. I think that's something that they all compliment, that, we get a response right away. They have a number where they can contact me. They don't feel like they're left in the jungle. They've ordered something, given a deposit, and now the person is nowhere to be found.
Maybe just a continuation question to just how you ended, right? Like how even she introduced, right? Because the online market has become so crowded for specific. Even I'm in the fashion space, so I can understand it's so crowded, with online scammers being so evident in our country, and especially in even foreign countries. How have you built that trust and loyalty with your customers?
I have to give that credit seriously to my clients. They are amazing ladies. They send us pictures when they wear an outfit. That is such a big, I don't know how to say it. I mean, that's such a big accomplishment when somebody sends you a picture.
I disagree with that. They come later, right? Unless you prove it to them. Like, I've had an experience where I ordered online initially. I mean, I'm talking about like 10 years back, and I ordered online. And it said XL, and it was not even, small. So, after that, I didn't want to order online, right? I was shit scared. I mean, it's a waste of money, right? So much. So how did you...
So before the first order, basically.
First order, yes. I mean, again, thank you to our clients that trusted us.
The first
Maybe the
chance.
process that we went in, this is how I am on their, like... I'm so bad when it comes to measurements. Can you please send this? Can you please send this?
Yeah.
Like, I'm really, really picky and annoying. And I tell that, I said, I'm so sorry I'm annoying you, but I just don't want you to have any issues later. The idea of putting on a garment and it just fitting you just right.
Because it's also custom made.
Exactly.
So it should look and feel custom made.
Exactly. So that I'm like really particular on.
That's again, it comes to another question is that हम यहाँ पे टेलर से सिलवाते हैं तो हमको 4 बार करवाना पड़ता है. Alter करो जी, ये करो जी. This is not fitting right and it's not feeling right. And मास्टर जी को 4 बार measure कराओ और हर बार ही जाओ alteration, which bugs me like hell. I'd rather go for a ready-made, which I can just wear it out
Try
and try and test. So, how do you ensure the fitting is great enough for them to manage it, right?
Tell you honestly, we do have a set pattern that we send them कि हमें ये measurements चाहिए.
Okay.
But our master, again, like I said, it's teamwork, right? It's not just me. Course. The team is amazing. So the master ji, even if he feels कि ये measurement ठीक नहीं है, he will adjust it. And he'll tell me कि मैम ये ना ठीक नहीं लग रहा, ये इतना होगा, आप उनसे confirm कर लो. So that back and forth communication is always on, and he'll tell me this doesn't look right, and I'll message them, hey, you sent this measurement but it doesn't seem right, can you recheck it? And they will, and they'll send me the right measurement.
तो अच्छा ये बताओ, अब आप इस फील्ड में हो तो मुझे ये तो बताओ, what do you think when Truzo के लिए प्लानिंग करें तो क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है? शिखा के लिए हम एक पूछ लेते हैं. तो
Yeah,
शिखा को
I would
बता
want
दो
to know, like since you
I
are
would
sitting,
say a
one thing.
variety of designs
Huh.
of your Indian attire, variety of colors.
Yeah.
Always focus on quality of fabrics. That's the most essential part. Your design can be very plain and simple, but if the fabric is good quality, it's just going to shine.
Yeah.
Big
बट आई थिंक इंडियन वेयर में क्या है ना, वो अगर वो पल्लू सही से नहीं आया और द ब्लाउज इज लिटिल बिट इल फिटेड या यू नो द फॉल ऑफ द साड़ी और व्हाटएवर, लाइक आई डोंट नो, आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग इनटू टेक्निकल्स, इफ दैट डजंट फॉल द बॉडी शेप लुक्स सो बैड एंड देन द फोटोज गो
फिर again Instagram पे फिर कैसे लगोगे तुम, है ना?
फोटो ही सोच रही हूँ.
So over these years, Tia, now that you've been working for so many clients overseas, and mainly overseas, right? And dealing with them early mornings, late nights, because time zone, of course.
Right.
What is the craziest experience you've had ever? Like, you know, बहुत demanding है यार, दिमाग खा गए यार, मैंने कुछ बनाया, just finding faults, something like that. Did it happen? And
One
how did you
annoying
deal with
customer.
that? Like, you know.
Tell you honestly, I've been really lucky.
Oh.
I have, in this 7 or 8 years, I haven't had a bad experience. And for me, when I deal with a customer, the customer is always right.
Oh, it's golden rule.
Yeah, that is definitely it.
Very
I'm not
true.
saying I haven't
Customer is
made
the
mistakes.
king.
I might have disappointed maybe a client or so with something or another, but I do own up to it and I will
Yeah.
say, hey, I'm sorry we messed up on this. Can I make it up to you next
Yeah.
time?
I think this is a
Or-
very big note for like small founders and for people like me also who are starting off. कि own your mistake and be vocal about
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
Because
definitely.
यार at the end of the day हम भी लोग, हम भी इंसान ही है, हम कोई मशीन तो है
बिल्कुल,
नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
And I think Instagram पे इतनी सारी I have seen founder journeys where they have told, हाँ भाई मैंने यहाँ mess up करा, this is what I messed up, हाँ मैंने पैकेजिंग गलत कर दी या मैंने गलती से इसका लो क्वालिटी लेबल ले लिया था because I thought it was a good one, sorry customers, this was my mistake, I'll take it back, I'll take your batch back, I will remake it and I'll resell it. And then I mean customers have been
Yes.
bang on their like जो loyalty I think stuck हुई उसके बाद versus a customer like अच्छा नहीं लगा चला गया.
Yeah.
That हाँ भाई गलती कर दी मैंने. I mean that's a very
Yeah.
I think there should be no ego in a founder. Zero ego.
Absolutely. You can't
Zero
keep an ego and do a business.
Zero ego क्योंकि कस्टमर इज द किंग. बचपन से यही सीखा था, मेरे मार्केटिंग बुक में लिखा था कस्टमर इज द किंग. आज याद आ रहा है एंड विद अ रियल टाइम लाइक एन एक्सपर्ट शी कैन वाउच फॉर इट दैट या कस्टमर इज द किंग. एंड हमने जो कभी किताब में पढ़ा था नाउ दैट्स कमिंग.
It's applicable in real world. Yes. Yeah.
In this 8 years, I've never had one person not pay us. Nothing. I've, like I said, been really, really fortunate. We've not
Yeah.
had any kind of really a bad experience.
Wow, that's lucky.
So, yeah.
Also, do you think word of mouth marketing has really helped you?
Absolutely.
Because in a fashion and a garment where
Oh, yes.
you know you can't trust. मतलब ट्रस्ट बाद में आता है when you buy it. बाई से पहले का ट्रस्ट कैसे आएगा? कि मेरी
Especially
friend-
online, you
Yeah,
know,
online,
exactly मैं वही तो बोल रही हूँ.
तो वर्ड ऑफ माउथ इज द की आई थिंक. मेरे दोस्त ने अगर बोला है ना मैं लूंगी.
See,
मैं सच में लूंगी.
agar a client of ours wears an outfit and she goes to a wedding, they message me. Everyone asked me, where did you get the outfit? And Tia, we told them about turmeric weddings. That is like the best feeling ever.
Yeah.
Exactly, right? When a
Word of
compliment comes
mouth.
from
Yeah.
from
And
the
a lot of referrals. We get a lot of referral work.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you know, so first time customer, okay. Repeat customer is your king actually. अगर वो दूसरी बार आया या अगर उसने रेफर भी कर दिया ना, which means he has trusted your brand. He or she has trusted your brand.
Just a small, about one client, she was a bridesmaid
Okay.
for a friend. So we made the bridesmaids outfits.
Wow.
Then I made her outfits for her friend's wedding.
Okay.
Then when she got married, I made her bridesmaids outfits.
Oh.
Then she got pregnant, then I made some outfits. And today I'm making outfits of her and her daughter. So
Wow.
that's
That's
a
been
long
a journey.
journey.
Yeah.
And that feels amazing.
7-8 years उसने भी देखे हैं with Wow, interesting.
Yeah.
I
No,
would
but
love to have
that's
such customers.
amazing. That kind of loyalty, getting such loyal customers, because customers तो very flimsy होते हैं. I can tell you this. At least retail market में मैंने देखा है कि वो तो दूसरी दुकान पे जाएंगे, आज तुमसे ले लिया है
हाँ.
और अगली बार दूसरी दुकान दिख गई,
हाँ.
वो तुम्हें भूल जाएंगे,
Yeah.
immediately भूल जाते हैं.
Yeah.
तो having that kind of a customer who comes back to
Back
you
to
over
you.
the years
Yeah.
is, I think that's a medal in
Yeah.
itself, right? You know,
Yes, thank
yeah.
And I think the product speaks for itself, I feel. अगर product अच्छा होता है, आपकी market, everything I think takes a backseat, I feel.
Yeah, product के
Your
अलावा
product-
fitting has to be
Yeah,
good, you know, and the detail. That's what I was saying. Attention to
Yeah.
detail matters, you
Yeah.
know. It's not just कि हाँ कपड़ा अच्छा है,
हाँ.
दिखने में ठीक लग रहा है. अगर अंदर से uncomfortable है तो भी नहीं चलेगा ना. तो like we can see by our own experience, एक बारी ले लिया, नहीं यार मजा नहीं आ रहा,
हाँ.
right? So keeping that kind of constant,
Yeah.
that takes a lot of effort.
Yeah.
We try our best.
Oh,
Kudos to you.
Yeah.
But do you find it like how easy or tough do you find to replicate a design? Because what I felt is anything that looks good online or on a design or on a Pinterest board might not look very good in a realistically
You know,
environment.
Right. So we sometimes do try to be honest and say, hey, I don't think this design is gonna, be too flattering for you. Why don't you, can we do it like this? Or can we
Oh,
style it like this to
fair
give you a
enough.
same kind of an effect? And they're pretty, they understand you're a designer. They understand that, hey, she's going to give me the right advice.
Okay.
Not just like, hey, whatever you want, sure, we'll just do it. It's not like that. So it's back and forth. There's people I've been working with who I've only just chatted with. The new Gen X. You guys don't like to get on the phone to talk.
Gen Z.
Yeah.
Gen Zs.
Yeah. Yeah, we are more
So,
like messaging.
You're messaging,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, I agree to that.
So they all message, and through the message, and sometimes, it kind of, I get this urge of feeling to pick up the phone and call them and say, hey, this isn't gonna work. Let's try
Yeah.
it like this.
Yeah.
Kuch aise kar le, kuch waise. But I said, okay, Tia, you cannot do that. You cannot call them. So then I try to explain it the best I can in a
इतना
message.
आसान ही है Gen Z के साथ काम करना. That's a lighter note. But I'm saying कि, you know what, when you say you're an entrepreneur and all that, it seems very glamorous, right? Okay, I'm an entrepreneur, I do this, I have this page and all that. How much efforts does it take actually on the, back end of it?
Oh, it's not glamorous at all.
Yeah.
I have the hardest part of coming in front of a camera because that requires me to get ready, put on makeup, get my hair done, have the right clothes on. And usually when I go to the studio with an outfit or something, I'm in my track pants, my hair tied up in a bun, because I'm running around. So, yeah, it is not glamorous at all.
Uh-huh.
It is a lot of hard work, which people don't see it, and you don't look that glamorous at all the
Video.
time. If
Yeah.
you're going to Chandni Chowk, this, it's a wholesale market.
Yeah.
You know how it is there, right? It's crowded and it's crazy.
Packed.
But,
Yeah,
but we
absolutely.
have to go.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
there's some things, I have this certain urge that I need to kind of see the fabric, feel the fabric, before I can just say, hey, order this. I have to be absolutely sure that it is of a great quality. And even if I send my team out to do it, they're not going to be able to come back and explain to me
Yeah.
how good or how bad it is.
So basically you need to assess it yourself,
Yes.
right?
If I'm getting accessories for an outfit, even that I need to check that the lace or the embellishments are of good quality. They're not going to fall off. So there's so many technical things to it that, like I said, I try to put in as much as personal care into it, so to make sure that it turns out right.
See, that's the thing, right? You do not order it online, right?
No.
Like-
there are some people that we work with that now we know that, okay, their
Yeah.
standard and quality of
Yeah.
fabrics is of a standard. Yes, we can. But if there's something new out, I'm not going to just go out and order it. I will go check it.
Exactly.
try to make videos, see it, feel it, and then kind of recommend it to a client that, hey, you want to try this or something.
So each and every quality check is done by you.
Yes, yes. Each outfit is measured by me and my team before sending it out. And of course, like I said, the team that I work with, even they are very particular. They know that measurements are everything.
Yeah. Oh, I have a very basic question for you. How difficult do you think is hiring your first member of the team? Like, you know, how easy or how tough do you find hiring?
I am the hired person. So I did good. The rest of the team, you know, as you go along, you have staff, you work with them, you come to know how it is.
Yeah.
And you get to see their dedication. I think when your staff also sees your dedication, they know that she needs it at this. When you're a perfectionist, they know that you're working with the perfectionist, so you got to give it your 100%.
So lead by example is the
Lead by
key.
example.
Yeah, maybe
Also, I mean, what I feel in my business is that I really find it tough to hire. Because everybody claims to be they're the best.
Yeah.
And obviously that you come to know when you work with them. But I'm not, you know, also sometimes founders are very openly saying that we are not expecting any expert. We are just expecting a consistent and a hardworking person.
Right.
See, you don't know a thing, no worries. You can learn it and work with me. Even I am learning it on a day-to-day basis. I'm not some expert here. But that dedication, those skills that are needed, which are there in a founder also, they are kind of finding a replica of myself only in that.
Yeah.
And I've also heard that your first 5 people of your team kind of become your co-founders.
Yes.
Like they are the foundation of your business. So if these are like first 5 correct hires,
Yes.
your business is sorted. Like, you know, you can think about, like if you're the core founder, you can think about growth and innovation and like the things which a CEO को सोचना चाहिए.
Right.
But if you're, you know, intricately, you know, involved in everything, then you might just miss out the top angle. So yeah, I mean, I really find it tough to hire.
And that's something I need to work on.
Delegation.
Delegation, which I'm not good at because I'm so finicky and a perfectionist that I want to see each and every detail.
Thing, yeah.
So yes, that's something I need to work on personally.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Delegation.
that's interesting, tough, right?
Yeah.
आपने कुछ सीखा, शिखा?
हाँ, मैंने ये तो सीखा कि hiring बहुत important है for sure. I mean, you know, finding the right people is a very big thing either in life or in business, both ways. I think it's super,
ये तो उसी phase में चल रही है जैसे दोनों चाहिए.
Exactly.
दोनों जगह बैलेंस करना है. But I think it is really, I think it makes or breaks your business and your life both ways, I think.
Now that we have 2 guests here in the hot seat, I think एक rapid fire question बनता है ना.
I was not prepared.
Doesn't matter.
I'm sure सबको script मिलती होगी पहले
पहले इसका कर दो. No. So I'm a little prepared.
ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं देंगे, हम फटाफट आपका बुखार उतारते हैं, ठीक है ना?
तो एडिटिंग मैं करूँगी.
So let's start with the first question. So what's the first business lesson that you learned the hard way?
Quality matters.
What do you think, Shikha?
I think delegate. Don't do everything on yourself.
Okay. So 2 different varied answers, right? अच्छा, कौन सा एक celebrity है जिसको आप, you know, you would like to create a design for?
Ooh, that's a tough one. Male or female?
Any one of your choice, whatever you choose.
I have my answer
Ranbir
ready.
Kapoor, I would love to dress him up. And for a girl, I think Alia Bhatt.
Wow, couple.
Couple together.
की wedding की design ही कर देती
If they had asked me, I would have loved it.
Wow.
What about you, Shikha?
I would love my fashion clothes to be worn by Kendall Jenner.
Oh, well.
देखो, ये international clients को cater कर रही है, ये Indian को, but उल्टा.
But yeah, I mean, I love her. I love her ramp walks.
Coffee meeting या Zoom call? Which is the preferred one?
Coffee meetings.
Coffee meetings. बहुत हो गया job में Zoom call.
करते तो हम Zoom calls ही है.
But coffee meetings, if अगर बिल्कुल ही नहीं हो रहा तो फिर तो Zoom calls. But yeah, preferably coffee meetings. We try to get, you know, we can try various cafes in Delhi as well. So why not?
So I think we're going to repeat another question. Instagram या word of mouth? किसको ज़्यादा weightage दोगे?
Word of mouth.
Both. Can I choose both?
No, one only.
One, I think initially Instagram because they don't know me. So word of mouth आने के लिए भी पहले reach तो आए नहीं. So first Instagram, then word of mouth.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
और उसके बाद हम एक्सपैंड करते हैं. शार्क टैंक में अगर आपको बुलाया जाए, क्या पिच करोगे आप अपने बिजनेस को?
Personal designer at your fingertips.
Wow.
That sounds glamorous also, you know. Like, you know, ChatGPT on your hand, right? Okay, she's my AI designer.
Yeah, absolutely.
What about you?
I think I'll be like, okay, fashion is the most powerful form of art. So you own it, and because one personality is boring, so wear these clothes and make it change your personalities.
वाह, क्या बात है. Agree वैसे somewhat, you know. आज मैं इंडियन में हूँ, आज मैं different persona, especially women, you know. I think that's
Multiple. I think I don't think एक lady एक जैसी है. Like you can't behave the same way every day.
I think that's one advantage women have. क्या आज मेरा मन कर रहा है मैं इंडियन में ही हूँ, आज मैं अभी शॉर्ट ड्रेस में हूँ, आज मतलब you can have your varied moods about, you know. Men
Indian women need the most amount of clothes.
Yeah.
I'm serious.
मेन को क्या है, कुर्ता पजामा दे दो और शॉर्ट्स एंड
For Indian, they just need a kurta pajama, and for Westerns, they just need pants and a shirt or a jacket. And for women, they need Indian, they
और
need
फिर
ethnic,
उसके
they need
बाद-
for you know
Yeah.
when there's a what you call it, a prayer meeting, or if there's what you call it, somebody's having a kirtan at home.
Same.
If
Right.
somebody has, you know, if you're going out lunch with your friends, if you're going out in the evening with your husband, like everything we just need.
holy party like
Yes.
you know.
और उसके बाद बोलते तुम लोगों को इतना तैयार होने में टाइम क्यों लगता है? क्योंकि हम अलग अलग कपड़े पहनते हैं.
तभी तो फैशन ब्रांड्स एग्जिस्ट करते हैं भाई.
Why is always the spotlight on the bride? Why not so much on the groom? Because bride is she's the spotlight.
Okay. अच्छा एक बात बताओ कि would you like to go viral या फिर 10 लाख की आपको मैं दे रही हूँ डील कि आप चुपचाप लेके जाओ, क्या? What is your preference?
Viral is so overrated. Seriously. You know, there are some posts that I will not get much likes, much views, but I'll get orders over and over again. This is a misconception that people have about Instagram. That if it's gone viral, if there's lots of posts on it, or if you've got like thousands of followers, you're great. No. What matters is the content and how people are trusting you and what business is coming in.
Right.
Wow. Yeah. I agree. I would take the 10 lakhs.
Yeah, वो looking like a wow भी down हो गई, right? Virality is gone away.
Doing exactly what she was doing before.
Right.
She went to a certain point and
Yeah.
then you're back to doing what you're doing.
As simple as that. मुझे वायरल नहीं होना भाई, मुझे धंधा चाहिए, पैसा आना चाहिए.
Exactly. काम
गले
आना
में
चाहिए.
पैसा आना चाहिए at the end of the day.
businessman calls, right?
फेमस होके मैं क्या करूँ अगर पैसा नहीं आ रहा तो?
Exactly.
As simple as
Exactly.
that.
अच्छा एक सीक्रेट पूछना है मुझे. बताओ मुझे कि तुम्हारा सबसे बड़ा जुगाड़ क्या था? लाइक यू नो कि ऑर्डर जाना था और उसमें कुछ जुगाड़ करना पड़ा. What would you say that?
सच्ची में मेरी डिक्शनरी में कोई वर्ड जुगाड़ नहीं है. I don't believe in it. I wouldn't do it. There's times I've scrapped fabrics after they're dyed, they didn't dye out right. I'll scrap it. I'll scrap fabrics. I'll scrap embroideries. जुगाड़ वाला काम हम करते नहीं हैं.
तभी लॉयल कस्टमर्स भाई समझ ले.
मैंने जुगाड़ प्रोडक्ट में नहीं पर ऑपरेशंस में लगाया है. मेरे स्टाफ बहुत इंटरचेंजेबल है. जो मेरी इंटर्न है वो मेरे लिए मॉडलिंग भी कर लेती है काफ़ी बार. सो मैं आई डू माई ऑपरेशनल जुगाड़. काफ़ी बार मेरी मम्मी मेरी सीए का काम भी कर रही होती है. सो आई डू ऑल ऑफ दैट जुगाड़. सो ऑपरेशनली मैं बहुत जुगाड़ लगाती हूँ.
And speaking about mummies, my mom is like 80 years old, right? And she keeps telling me, Tia, you got to put yourself out there. अपनी reels बना, अपने आप को दिखा, अपने आप. I'm like, Mom, I can't do it.
I love the push when the parents give you, right?
My mom is always telling me, you got to put yourself out there more.
Yeah.
Okay. अगर if you were to collaborate with one luxury brand, what would it be?
Okay, so luckily you gave me a heads up on this question, so I had time to think about it. So I studied it, and Joe Malone is a fragrance that I love, right? And I feel that their layering of fragrances and their variety, and since each fragrance is so different, and since we also custom design, and each of our outfits are different, I would love to collaborate with them. Wow. Make something unique.
I hope this message goes to him, you know.
Joe Malone, are you listening? You guys, are you listening?
Wow.
So I kind of collaborated with the fragrance and design, so I had time to think about this answer, luckily.
So I'll go very impromptu on this one because I was not prepared. So I would want my Middle East roots to reflect in this brand. So I would want to collaborate with an Arabian Oud brand, which my brand name is also a very Arabian name, which is Raya. So I would want a Raya Oud to come out very soon, along with my clothes.
Anyways, we'd like to. This was a really nice discussion, really eye-opening. I think for me, मैं तो नहीं हूँ इनके जैसे रिस्क टेकर, but फिर भी मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. And one point I take from this discussion here with both of you is that if you want to do something, I think पहला कदम उठा लो. ज़्यादा it's like swimming. अगर आप डुबकी नहीं मारोगे तो आप सीख ही नहीं पाओगे, right? तो whatever age, like Gen X हो, Gen Z हो, Millennial हो, अगर आपने कुछ करना है, अचीव करना है और आपका कोई पैशन है, I think that zeal, if you have it, just go ahead with it, right? ये ज़रूरी है. That's the thing. पहला कदम उठाना, right? So we conclude here with this nice podcast.
Yeah, any closing comment from you for our audience?
Yeah, like she said, follow your passion. Age is no bar.
Yeah.
Do what you want to do, and actually, it's not as hard as people think it is.
I think even if it's hard work, it comes naturally if you are passionate about it. Like ये जैसे ये लोग 24 घंटे dream about it, and if you keep dreaming only and not do it, I think.
No, yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I think my closing comment, I learned a lot personally. मैं mentor ढूंढ रही थी, but via this episode I found one. I hope this inspires you. Like you might be looking for some mentor, or just that one. Sometimes one line also changes the way you think. I think it has happened with me, my teachers, or in this conversation. Something you take away from some conversation, and at one point in time in your life, you'll feel, oh, you need to apply that line. And application is the most important. सीखना ही नहीं है, उसको apply भी करना है. But yeah, take the risk. Don't regret it, and take the risk. And I mean, यार इस पार या उस पार हो ही जाएगा. कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा, I think.
Yeah, और नहीं तो कुछ सीख और कुछ ना कुछ सीखोगे ज़रूर.
Exactly, learning, right? Where we started. So yeah. Keep learning, and yeah, thank you all for this. Is all for this episode. We'll catch you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.
Do like, subscribe, and share with everyone, our friends, and especially women who are in this dilemma, you know.
करें ना करें business, yeah, absolutely.
Bye.